Most diesel drivers have no idea they're slowly destroying their engine, just by following a few common habits that seem harmless. Diesel engines are powerful, reliable, and built for longevity, but only if you treat them right. The truth is, your driving style can either make your engine last 500,000 miles or ruin it before it even hits 100,000. So in this video, I am revealing 5 surprisingly common driving habits that ruin your diesel engine. And most drivers don't even know they're doing them. If you drive a diesel, this is the video you can't afford to skip. Let's start with the first habit: frequent short trips. Diesel engines are designed to run hot, and they need time to reach full operating temperature to function properly. But if you're constantly making short trips, like running a few miles to work, picking up groceries, or dropping kids off at school, your engine might never get hot enough. And that creates problems. Big ones. For starters, it leads to carbon buildup in the EGR system, which is responsible for recirculating exhaust gases. Over time, this buildup restricts airflow, reduces performance, and eventually causes engine trouble. That's not all. Short trips also prevent the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, from properly regenerating. This means unburnt fuel and soot accumulate in the filter, causing clogs and back pressure. And then there's your oil. If your engine doesn't warm up, condensation and unburnt fuel can mix with the oil, degrading its ability to protect your engine and increasing wear. Bottom line: short trips are a silent killer for diesel engines. If you drive a diesel, try to combine errands and take longer drives to let your engine fully warm up and do its job properly. The second habit is letting your diesel idle for long periods. Now, a lot of diesel owners think idling is harmless, or even good for the engine. After all, trucks idle all the time, right? But the truth is, prolonged idling can do serious damage. When your diesel engine idles for too long, the fuel doesn't burn efficiently. This leads to carbon buildup on your pistons and injectors, increasing wear and reducing performance. It also causes soot to accumulate in your DPF faster than normal, requiring more frequent regenerations, or worse, forcing expensive replacements. But the biggest issue is fuel dilution. At low RPMs, especially during cold idling, fuel can seep past the piston rings and into the engine oil. This thins the oil out, reducing its ability to lubricate and protect engine components. Not good. So if you're stopped for more than a few minutes, shut the engine off. It saves fuel and extends your engine's life. Habit number 3 is one that's dangerously easy to overlook. A lot of diesel drivers assume that because these engines are built tough and because modern synthetic oils are better, they can go 10,000 to even 15,000 miles between oil changes. And to be fair, that's often what the dealer or manual suggests. But here's the truth. If you care about your diesel engine's long-term health, that's way too long. Diesel engines run hotter, harder, and under much more stress than gas engines. Your oil isn't just lubricating moving parts. It's dealing with soot, fuel dilution from idling, and chemical byproducts from emission systems like the EGR and DPF. Over time, these contaminants build up and reduce your oil's ability to protect the engine, even if you're running top-tier synthetic. So what's a smart oil change interval? Stick to every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, especially if you're towing, doing short trips, idling frequently, or driving in dusty or harsh conditions. That's the sweet spot for keeping your engine clean and well lubricated. Don't wait for your oil to look dirty. With diesel engines, that happens quickly, and it's normal. The problem is what you can't see: microscopic wear, acidity, and fuel dilution. Now, let's talk about the fourth habit: hard acceleration when the engine is still cold. Picture this. You start your diesel, it's been sitting all night, and the oil is cold and thick. Then you jump on the highway and floor it. What happens next isn't good. When the engine is cold, the oil hasn't fully circulated yet. That means critical components, like pistons, cylinder walls, and the turbocharger, are running without proper lubrication. This can lead to scoring, overheating, and long-term wear. Not to mention, diesel engines operate under high compression, so the added stress of full throttle acceleration when things haven't warmed up only makes matters worse. The turbo especially takes a hit here. It spins at extremely high speeds, and running it hard before it's lubricated can drastically shorten its lifespan. So what's the solution? Simple. Be gentle with the throttle until your engine reaches full operating temperature. That gives the oil time to thin out and do its job properly. It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference. Habit number 5 is one that even experienced drivers often overlook: not letting the turbo cool down. After a long haul, towing, or a high-speed drive, your turbo is blazing hot. If you shut the engine off immediately, the oil inside the turbo essentially gets cooked. This is called oil coking, and over time it creates hard carbon deposits that clog oil passages, reduce cooling, and destroy the turbo bearings. Once your turbo goes, you're looking at a major repair bill, easily into the thousands. But here's the good news. It's easy to avoid. Just let your engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds after hard driving. This keeps oil flowing through the turbo and lets it cool gradually, preventing coking and protecting the turbo's longevity. Some diesel vehicles have turbo timers for this reason, but even if yours doesn't, a short idle period can make all the difference. Bonus habit is ignoring fuel quality. Diesel fuel isn't all created equal, and using poor quality or contaminated diesel can destroy your engine from the inside out. Dirty fuel can clog injectors, damage your high-pressure fuel pump, and fill your filters with sludge. Water contamination is especially dangerous. It leads to corrosion in the fuel system and poor combustion. And don't think fuel from every gas station is safe. Some cut corners or have poorly maintained tanks. That's why it's important to buy diesel from reputable stations, use fuel additives if necessary, and regularly drain your water separator. Diesel engines rely on clean, pressurized fuel to run properly, so make sure you're giving them the best. These 5 habits, short trips, excessive idling, hard acceleration when cold, shutting down a hot turbo, and using poor fuel might seem minor, but they're some of the biggest reasons diesel engines fail early. The good news is, they're all avoidable. Treat your diesel with care, and it will reward you with performance, power, and long life. And there you have it. The 5 driving habits you need to avoid if you want your turbo diesel to last. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more diesel maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, I appreciate you.